Design tools are everywhere, and it can be difficult finding the right one to work with for your landing page projects. But hopefully, after watching this video, you'll have a better idea of what's out there and which ones to check out in more detail on your own. While there are hundreds of design tools you can use to design your landing pages, these are the 4 tools I want to focus on because they all have incredible followings online. First is Adobe Photoshop, which is probably the most famous design tool of all time. Many designers use it as their primary tool for designing landing pages. If you're going to be hiring someone to do design work for you from a freelance site like Upwork, which we'll talk about in a later lesson, there is a good chance that they're going to deliver the design as a Photoshop PSD file. It's very versatile, but it has a tough learning curve, so be warned. Next up is one of Adobe's newest tools, Adobe XD. This is meant to be a response from Adobe to the tool that we're going to talk about next called Sketch. Adobe XD is a vector-based tool for designing and prototyping user experiences for both the web and mobile. And it's available on both Windows and Mac, which is a big selling point. Next is Sketch, which is also a vector-based design tool. It competes with both of the Adobe products we just mentioned. While Sketch is very easy to learn and super flexible, the downside is it's only available on Mac at the time of this recording. So if you have a cross-platform team that works on both Mac and PC, it's difficult to collaborate. And last up is Figma. Figma is the first all-in-one design tool based in the browser, making it easier for teams to design and collaborate together. If you're a fan of web-based tools like I am, this is a great solution since you don't have to download anything, and it's pretty easy to learn. So there you have it. These are some of the most popular design tools to explore. Now keep in mind, none of these tools actually let you build published, working, functional landing pages. They only focus on what the pages would look like. In a later video in this course, we're going to cover an actual landing page as it goes through the development cycle using a tool like Unbounce, Instapage, and others. Those are the tools that actually host your finished pages. And in many cases, you can also create your design directly in those tools if you want to skip this step altogether. But that's not always ideal. In an ideal world, you'd first create your landing page design in one of these tools shown here, and then you'd transfer it over to the development environment in a tool like Unbounce or Instapage. But don't worry about that for now. We're going to get to it in a bit. Up next, we're going to look at some examples of great landing page design so that you can see what's trending now. I'll catch you in the next video.